I usually share knitting tutorials, but today I've got something a little different for you. I've created Shelf Help, Fiber Arts Library. It's a spreadsheet to help you keep track of all of your fibercraft books, no matter where they're hiding, your shelf, your Kindle, or somewhere on your computer. You can find this spreadsheet in my PayHip store, which I've linked to in the description. In this video, I'll show you how to save a copy of the spreadsheet and set it up so you can track your own library. Open the user manual PDF that you downloaded when you purchased the spreadsheet. Shelf Help works on all devices once it's installed, but completing the initial setup on a computer is highly recommended if you have access to one. The larger screen makes it just a little bit faster and easier. Find the URL on that first page. Your version will be the full address, not blurred out. Copy that URL by either right-clicking, highlighting, or using a long press on a mobile device. I'm going to right-click this and copy the link. For some reason, Google gets a little confused sometimes in a regular browser, so I recommend using an in private or incognito browser. So go to the menu and then choose New in Private window. Paste the URL into the address bar, not the search bar that's down here, but the address bar. Hit Control or Command V and hit Enter. If you're not logged into a Google account, it'll ask you to do that now. You do need a Google account to use this spreadsheet, but you don't need a Gmail address. You can sign up for a free Google account with any email that you already have. In the top right-hand corner, you should see a blue box that says Use Template. Click on that. And that saves a copy to your Google Drive. Let's go up here to the menu where it says File, Edit, View, and so on. We want to click on Extensions. If Extensions is not visible, sometimes you can be zoomed in too far. So just scroll out or pinch if you're on a mobile device, and that should show up. Then click on Extensions and Apps Script. This is one thing that I couldn't set up for you, but thankfully it's really easy to do. We need to add 3 triggers. So go over to the left-hand side where it says Triggers and click on that. In the bottom right-hand corner, click on Add Trigger. We have 3 triggers to add, and the first one is pre-selected. We'll choose Mobile Menu. There's no other option besides Head. From Spreadsheet is pre-selected, and we always want to choose that. And then On Edit. In the right-hand column, those are notification settings, and you can choose from immediately, hourly, daily, and weekly. Hopefully you won't run into any issues, and if you do, just send me an email and I'll help you troubleshoot any problems that you're having. I just set up mine for daily by default. Once you have that all set up, click on Save. And then I have a pop-up blocker, so usually one more click on the Save button will clear that error. Next, you'll get a permissions warning, and this is normal for custom spreadsheets. We want to click on Advanced and then go to Shelf Help Engine Unsafe. And that clears everything, and we've added our first trigger. Now we add another one, go to Add Trigger. Our next one is Update Trigger, Head from Spreadsheet, and On Edit. Keep the notifications the same, and Save. And that one goes through right away. We have one more trigger to add, so we click on Add Trigger one more time. Save new trigger, head from spreadsheet, and on edit. Keep that the same and save one more time. Once we have all three of these set up, make sure that we have on edit selected in this column here. But after all three are set up, we can close this browser window and we're ready to go. In my next video, I'll show you how to add your first book.